I needed some new retainer cleaner, so I bought myself this retainer Brite. Look at that. I busted right into the box and ripped it before I showed you. But I've been using it now for a few days. Here's how it comes in these little strips, and then you can rip them into, I like to separate them like this. So they're like this, and I just throw them in a drawer, so then in the morning I don't have to think much before coffee and just kind of take my retainer out, throw it in its little thing, toss one of these in. No brainer. I've got lots of them in here. And again, I've already been using them, so I've taken some out. And I wish I would have taken a before and after of my retainer, because I didn't think I needed to, because I didn't think my retainer was all that discolored. But after using this for a couple days, I was like, that definitely looks clearer. So although I didn't think mine was discolored, it now looks brighter and clearer. So far, I'm really liking this. There's not much of a flavor or anything to it. It does get fizzy enough to make you think it's doing something. So I use it for my Invisalign retainer. It says it kills 99.99% of common odor-causing bacteria, helps remove stains and plaque, cleans and brightens removable dental appliances. There's 120 tablets in here. This is good for clear aligners, clear retainers, wire retainers, sports mouth guards, night guards, bruxing appliances, TMJ appliances, and dentures. So yeah, all you do is drop one tablet into water, place appliance into bubbling solution. After 15 minutes, appliance is clean and odor-free. Rinse appliance and hands thoroughly with water. So I put mine in the morning and just leave it all day until the nighttime where I have to put it back in. And before I put it in, I just brush it a little bit and then just put it in. So yeah, I'm happy with this, and I'll probably be, I think it's already on my subscribe and save, so good stuff.